Hey all, real quick, I just wanted to drop a video today and let you know it's a long process of learning about photography and learning about anything. Don't get discouraged, keep it up. Drawing is another part. Well, art actually in general is something that photographers learn in general. I mean, photography is an art, so you learn a lot about the other parts of art when you go through photography and learning the arts in college. So in this respect, I just wanted to drop a little note and link to a video that I recently watched and found encouraging and reminded me to just stay the course. Sometimes it's hard trying to record these videos and stay on point enough to be able to upload a video a day. So don't get discouraged with trying to find your style of shooting or what you specifically are good at. Are you good at product photography and starting up your own studio and home to shoot products that people ship to you, or shooting food photography for someone, or fashion photography or portraits? Stay the course. The more you work on it, and yes, the more tedious it gets, the harder it is to do. Just stay the course. The manufacture of products and items are not instantaneous. It doesn't not exist one moment and suddenly exist the next. It is hard, it is time, it's tedious, and so is your skill. Your skill is not tedious, but the making of your skill is tedious. So think of something that you like and value because it's a product you like, the look of it, the design, and realize that your skill of photography is very much like that product. It takes time to produce it. It takes time to fashion it. It takes time to give it its patina or outside color, skill, and design or look. I mean, I looked at myself on the camera today to specifically look at how I looked and how I designed my appearance. I did my hair. I shaved. Some of y'all may say, you didn't shave. I trimmed my beard, excuse me. I trimmed areas around my beard so that I didn't look like a redneck or, whatever. The point is, I put some time into my appearance, even though it may not appear like I did. Y'all don't want to see what my wife sees when I wake up in the morning. So it's just take some time and look at what you're doing. Take some time and see if you're really achieving what you're getting. So it's not, take some time. All of these little pieces that you're working on now that take a lot of time will start to fall together, and it will get easier, and you're just going to naturally bring a lot of things that you realize one time, I shouldn't have left without that, or any number of things. Wedding coordinators or assistants to wedding coordinators always bring things with them, and it's the oddest of things. So don't feel like, as a photographer, you have a tiny little bag and you have your camera in your hand and you have everything you need. Sometimes it's literally having the back of your SUV or car loaded up with stuff, and you only grab that one bag. Grabbing that one bag with that number of stuff that you want or need in your bag may be all you need. But if something went wrong, wouldn't it be nice to have that tripod or that extra speed light or a backup memory card? I mean, seriously, some of these things are just nice to have extras of. So don't get discouraged. Your time now is what you are putting in and learning from, so that in 2 to 3 or 4 years, maybe even 5 years, it's something you do without thinking. It becomes a habit, a muscle memory type of situation where you just have it all together. And maybe in 5 years, you'll have actually made some money and you're ready to expand into a studio where you can keep all your equipment in the studio and the subjects or products you shoot are just right there. So you can just go back over to your equipment wall and pick something up and bring it back over. Now is a time where you are forming your skill, your habits, and other parts of your productivity, your customer care and persona. It's going to be an important time now to work on these little things, even though it's hard. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video, comment below, let us know what you think, and we will be bringing out more information about the hard parts of photography and how do we get past it. Thank you so much.